Master Your Decisions by Thibaut Maurice emphasizes that our decisions shape our lives, and mastering decision-making is crucial for achieving success and growth. The book explores the barriers to effective decision-making such as fear and indecision, and offers strategies for overcoming them. It provides actionable steps to improve decision-making skills, align decisions with personal values, and reduce anxiety around failure. The power of decision-making. Maurice stresses that every decision, no matter how small, contributes to shaping our future. By improving decision-making, we can gain control over our lives. Making decisions isn't just about solving problems. It's about setting a direction for our personal and professional journeys. The book teaches readers to take responsibility for their choices and leverage them as opportunities to move forward. Overcoming decision paralysis. Many people struggle with analysis paralysis, a state where they overthink decisions, often leading to procrastination. Maurice recommends setting time limits for decision-making and emphasizes that perfectionism is not the goal. Instead, make good enough decisions and adjust as you go. Acting swiftly is better than being stuck in inaction for mastering small decisions. While we often focus on big life-changing decisions, small decisions accumulate and have an even greater long-term impact. Maurice points out that daily habits and seemingly minor choices can shape our success. By consciously improving our small decisions, such as how we spend our time or treat others, we create better overall outcomes. Confronting fear of failure. Fear of failure often stops people from making decisions. Maurice argues that failure is a learning opportunity rather than something to avoid. Many successful people have faced numerous failures before reaching their goals. By embracing failure, individuals can reframe mistakes as stepping stones to success, allowing them to make decisions with more confidence and less fear. Aligning decisions with core values. The book stresses that decisions should align with one's core values. When we make choices based on what truly matters to us, we experience a deeper sense of fulfillment and authenticity. Maurice offers exercises to help readers identify their values and use them as a guide to decision-making, ensuring that each choice is in line with long-term goals and personal beliefs. Discipline in decision-making. Discipline is essential for making better decisions. Maurice notes that disciplined individuals are more likely to stay focused on long-term goals and avoid impulsive decisions. By developing good habits and routines, people reduce decision fatigue and make more deliberate choices. Discipline helps maintain a structured approach to decision-making, ensuring consistency and progress. Frameworks for better decision-making. To simplify the decision-making process, Maurice introduces several frameworks. One such framework is the 80-20 rule, Pareto principle, which focuses on the 20% of decisions that will have the greatest impact. By prioritizing these key decisions, people can maximize their results while minimizing the time and energy spent on less important ones. Another tool is the sunk cost fallacy, which warns against continuing with a decision just because of past investments. Instead, recognize when it's time to pivot and cut losses to avoid further wasted effort. Intuition and rational thinking. While rational analysis is essential, intuition also plays a key role in decision-making. Maurice explains that intuition, based on past experiences, can help us make faster decisions in familiar situations. However, the book advises balancing intuition with logical thinking, particularly for high-stakes decisions. This combination of gut instinct and rational analysis leads to more well-rounded choices. Making decisions. Under pressure, high-pressure situations often cloud judgment. Maurice offers techniques for making decisions under stress, such as pausing, breathing, and gaining clarity before deciding. He also recommends seeking input from trusted sources to get additional perspectives. By staying calm and focusing on priorities, people can make more confident decisions even when urgency is high. 10 Continuous improvement in decision-making. Maurice encourages readers to view decision-making as a skill that improves over time. Reflecting on past decisions, learning from them, and applying those lessons helps sharpen decision-making abilities. The book promotes a growth mindset, where the process of continual improvement leads to more informed and confident choices. Over time, this results in better decision outcomes across all areas of life. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found the content helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos on personal growth decision-making strategies and motivation.